Is your organization ready to revolutionize its contract and commercial management processes? Announcing our course, Introduction to the Capabilities of ChatGPT in Contract and Commercial Management, designed to harness the power of advanced technology to enhance your business practices. Stay updated in today's world. Join our course to unlock ChatGPT's incredible potential to transform your organization. Explore endless possibilities. This course unveils how generative artificial intelligence enhances contract and commercial management. Designed for professionals, this course will help you to understand the potential of generative artificial intelligence and its impact on operational efficiency. Discover ChatGPT's powerful analysis of complex queries and human-like responses. This course equips you to leverage ChatGPT for contract analysis, risk identification, and valuable improvements. Say goodbye to time-consuming contract drafting. Learn how ChatGPT can streamline the process by generating clauses and enhancing clarity, making your work more efficient and precise. Unleash ChatGPT's power in simulations and negotiations for optimal outcomes. Learn how it can help you stay ahead with market trend analysis, and gain valuable insights from market data reports. Our course, Introduction to the Capabilities of ChatGPT in Contract and Commercial Management, is your gateway to success in the digital era. Be a part of the future, and join us where technology meets excellence. Click on the links below and register today.